In this video, we're covering loading dock concrete repair cost. Starting with loading dock concrete repair cost, quick answer. Concrete work typically costs 8 to 15 per square foot for basic installations, 16 to 28 for decorative finishes. Get 3 quotes for accurate pricing. Moving to loading dock concrete repair, high wear area solutions. Loading docks experience extreme wear from forklifts, pallet jacks, and heavy equipment. Standard concrete repairs don't last. This guide covers the right repair materials and costs for loading dock areas. Next, why loading docks are different. Standard concrete patches fail quickly in these conditions. You need specialized materials. Regarding epoxy mortar patches, epoxy mortar is the professional choice for loading docks. Also, standard cement patches won't hold up to forklift traffic. Epoxy mortar is essential for durability. On the bottom line, loading dock repairs require epoxy mortar, not standard cement. The higher cost, approximately $100 to $150 plus per bucket, is worth it for repairs that actually last under heavy industrial use. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.